one heart, one higher. Every step I take feels heavy on the ground, but the wind whispers, don't turn around. I'm searching for the light within the pain. JAH gives me strength through the pouring rain. My looks ain't just a crown to wear, they're the stories of the life I bear. Each scar I carry is a prayer that grew under the sun. My spirit stays true. Journey to JAH, journey to JAH. Through the love, through the soul. I don't need no crown of gold. Peace and truth is what I journey to JAH. Let my heart be the guide. Every breath I call your name. JAH Rastafari, keep me alive. Trial I face makes my faith secure. Reggae music heals my scars. Bass and drum connect the stars. Brother, open up your eyes. JAH lives in the same blue sky. Every heartbeat is a sign that loves the path to the divine. Oh, JAH, take me higher. One love, one fire. Let my soul reach Zion into JAH. Journey to JAH. Through the love, through the soul. I don't need no fame or gold, only love that never grows old. Journey to JAH. The road is hard but bright. I sing my prayer to you. JAH Rastafari, guide me through. One heart, one love, one love. Together under the sun above. No end, no fear, just the path to JAH.